Guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project. So here I am going to make a beautiful CSS cake. So with pure CSS we are going to make a beautiful cake. So to make this we are use HTML and CSS. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. So here is my HTML file, here is my CSS file, and in my HTML file I have taken the basic structure of my HTML, and then I have taken the title CSS kit, and here I have linked my CSS file which you can see here. So in body tag I have taken a div with class container. So in this div I have taken a class cake and C1, two class is there in this div. So in this div one more div I have taken with class cream for cream on on cream on cake. So for that we have taken div. So I take another div with class icing which will put ice on the our cake. So for that we have taken many div tag. We can take a span also. So here I have taken one more div with class cherries to make it so beautiful, and in this we have taken many cherries div. So after that we have taken similarly whatever we have taken now, like that we have taken for another layer of cake. So cake C2, and here with div cream, icing, cherries. Similarly we have taken same thing for another layer of cake. So C3, like that we have taken, and after this I have taken the div with class candle for candle, and in this candle I have taken div with class flame for flame. So here I will show you. So here is one layer, two layer, three layer of cake, and here is the candle. So come to our styling. Here is the main part of our styling. So body I have taken this color code, and margin padding I have taken 0. So now in container, to make it center we have taken height 250 pixel, 300 width, border 0, 0 solid and white, and position absolute, margin auto, top and bottom I have taken 0, left 0 and right 0 for the container. So now for K, showing K class. So here is the height 70 pixel and width 194 pixel, and in this I have taken background color code for the cake. So here is the position absolute for the cake, and border radius 5 pixel, which you can see in my cake. Here is the border and this color code. So for that, now for layer 1, bottom 0 and left 50 pixel for the cake layer 1. Now we'll some cream will apply. So for that we have taken this color and height 10 pixel, with 194, position absolute, and top 33. I'll show you icing here. Your icing you can see here, and sorry cream, and after that here we go for icing. In icing position I have taken relative, and in this icing we have taken many diffs. For these diffs we have taken a background color, this, and height 13 pixel, width 26 pixel, and a border radius 00 with 26 and 26. So for that icing and position absolute for icing. So here is the icing in ball shape. You can see icing in ball shape icing here. So for that we have taken. So we'll position.
Now here we'll go for our the deep in which nth child 1. So in icing we have taken many dips. So I'll show you here. Here is the icing. In this I have taken many dips. So that dip will target one by one with nth child 1. First the dip in which we have taken left 1 pixel. Second dip I have taken left 29 pixel. Third dip we have taken 57 pixel. Fourth dip 85 pixel, and fifth dip 113 pixel. For the sixth 140 pixel, and for the seventh I have taken 167 pixel, so that we can arrange one by one. Here can see one by one it's arranged there. So now come for cherries. So we will target our cherries with this color, background color. Here is the height 23 pixel, width 23 pixel, and border radius 60%, and position absolute, and top minus 23 pixel. So now in this I have taken many dips, you can see. So one by one we target the dip with inside one, left 5 pixel, for second child 36 pixel, for third 65, for fourth child 98 pixel from left, for fifth child 130 pixel from left, and for sixth child 160 pixel from left. You can see here the cherries above. So I have positioned that cherries on it. So now come for C2, means cake layer C2, which you can see here, this layer, second layer, this is third layer. So for that we are going to style. For second layer we have increased the decreased the size, transform scale 0.8, and from bottom I have taken 60 pixel, so that it will go little bit up, left 50 pixel, and z index -2, so that it will go little bit backward and it will look so good. So now for cake 3 layer 3 of our cake, so we have reduced little bit more size. So scale I have taken minus 6 0.6, and bottom I have taken 110 pixel, and left I have taken -50 and Z index -4, so that it will look good at a 1 by 1, one above. So now we'll style our candle. So in candle I have taken background color white and height 70 pixel and width 20 pixel for the candle, position absolute, and Z index -7, and bottom 165 pixel, and from left I have taken 135 pixel, so that it position on the third layer for cake. I will show you. Here is a candle, it's shown third layer of our cake, and it's little bit backward and at good position. So now we will go for our flame class. So here background color for the flame is this, and height 20 pixel, width 20 pixel, sorry 22 pixel both, and border radius 0, 50%, 50% and 50%, so that it look like a shape in a flame. So now position I have taken absolute from top -22 pixel, and transform rotate 56 degrees, so that it rotate little bit, so that it should look so good. So like that we position our flame. So hope you guys like my video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with emoji project.